side of Murfreesboro, has crossed Highway 96, now going up toward 840 here. Tornado emergency for Murfreesboro and nearby locations. Fortress Boulevard, Deerfield Drive, Breckenridge Road. It's going to cross Interstate 24. Just on the south side of 840 right now, and it's going to pass Interstate 24 very near the avenue.
And just to kind of explain what people are watching, we go back and forth sometimes from the rain velocity showing you the rain that's coming down. You saw that product there a moment ago. That's the wind, and what we're doing is trying to look at what's going on with the wind direction. If you've got wind moving one way, the green, and then the red the other way, and you see them close together, in this case you see the green next to the yellow there and the orange, that's an indication that right next to each other, wind going back and forth very fast next to each other, indicating the possible tornado, and we continue to get information now.
Yeah, confirming a tornado on the ground in this area. So Murfreesboro just called Kyle Evans from Murfreesboro Police, confirming a tornado on the ground in this area. And in the Blackman community, this is the storm. You are looking at it right here on radar. The tornado is going to be from Pascal Estates up toward Ridgefield. It's going to pass very close to Whitehaven. If you live again around the 840 interchange, if you live there it is. The signature is just growing stronger and stronger. This is incredible rotation. We could be talking about a large, damaging tornado that's passing around Whitehaven right now.
We got our Murfreesboro camera